So I've been around and used this threadlocker stuff. It's not Loctite, but it's kind of, I'm sure it's the same stuff. It's certainly sticky on my fingers. It's not the red stuff. And the problem is with red is that you never get it back out, and you need heat it up with one of these. So I've done all that. I need to drop the tower a couple of times, put it back up, sort it out. I might as well film it as well. Then I can get the other four square back on, and then this will be back on because Rolly wants to know what antennas he can use. I've just learned something else. I'm normally used to the wind blowing this way, but in fact it's slightly blowing that way, and it was sitting on the pivot point. Not good. Learning curve. Right. I'll be able to write a book about this one day. Right, I really want to get this tower kind of back up on a temporary basis. I haven't got my proper camera, so you have to be on the potato camera, otherwise known as an Android Samsung Galaxy S21.